Hi, in circular doubly linked list, we are going to see deletion at the end. We are taking this as example. An algorithm is given. So step 1 is set head equal to null, write underflow, go to step 8. We already know that head is null means at the time of deleting any element, already head is empty means we are unable to delete any element in the empty list. So that's why it is the underflow condition. We go to the step 8 and we stop the process. We are unable to do anything. We are unable to delete anything. Otherwise, if the condition is not true, then the control comes here, temp equal to head. So this is temp. We are taking, what is that? Head points the first node. First node address is 100. Second node address is 200. Third node address is 300. Okay. So this 100 it is maintained in the head. I am taking the address and I am mentioning that it is temp. Then repeat step 4 while temp next not equal to head. So just I forget one more thing. It is a circular queue. Circular linked list. Okay. So what is that? While temp next not equal to head. So this is temp. Temp next is not head. Head means the control it comes once again it comes here. We are finding the last node. Why we find the last node? After finding the last node only I am able to delete the particular node. So that's why at each and every time we check it up. This condition it happens or not. This condition it has occurred or not. Okay. So temp next is not head, not equal to head here. The condition true. True means we are executing step 4. Set temp equal to temp next. So temp it goes here. So what is next one? Next one is once again we are executing the same step 3. Temp next not equal to head. Temp next is not equal to head. So that's why we come inside. Set temp equal to temp next. So once again we are incrementing the temp pointer by 1. It is next node. So now we check it out. Temp next not equal to head. But here temp next is head. So for sake of understanding, I tell you this is 300. 300 means the temp next. This is the last node. Last node which is connected with first node. So that's why what is this node? Previous node is this one. So that's why I am writing this 300 here. And what about the next node? Next node is 200. So that's why I am writing 200 here. For this node, previous node is 100. Next node is 300. For this node, previous node is 200. Next node is 100. So that's why I am writing 100 here. Okay. So this is what the actual updation of previous and next in the doubly linked list. Okay. So what is the case here? Condition satisfies here. So after reaching the last node, the next node is the head node. So that's why the condition here it is not matched. We are checking that whether it is not equal to head. Here the condition is equal to head. So that's why I comes out in the loop and I am executing step 5. What is step 5? Set temp previous next. Temp previous next. Temp previous next. What is temp previous next? Equal to head. It means that I am disconnecting this link and I am making one new link here to here. This is what the 5th step it is executing. Set temp previous next. Temp previous next it is assigned as a head. That means that in the next node this is not 300. Instead I am mentioning this is 100. Is the point clear? This is what the change we made in step 5. And step 6, set head previous equal to temp previous. So what is head previous? Head previous is this 300. Already it is 300. Now I am going to change this as a 200 because temp previous. What is this? Is temp previous is 200. So I am making the change of instead of 300, I make this as a 200. Okay. So that's why I cut this also After that, free temp. So we are free up the particular node in a variable temp. I am free up the temp after making these connections here. So as per this case, what is it? There are two nodes only available. So that's why the things are like that. What is it? 100. Next node is, what is it? Next node is 200. 100 and 200 only there. So 100 next node is 200. 200 previous node is 100. So that's why in 200 previous is 100. So here also it is 100. Why it is 100 means only two nodes are available. So once again it comes here. So that's why this is also 100. Okay. What about this case? It is 100. What about the previous one? Previous one is 200. What about next one? Next one is also 200. So that's why it is mentioned 200, 200 here, 100, 100 here. So don't confuse, because we are having only two nodes. For these two nodes, we are making a link. So this is what the doubly linked list is, circular doubly linked list, deletion at the end. I hope you understand the logic.